Hey Siri, install Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay has been on my list of things to do to this F30 for a while now, but it's kind of been the price that's been holding me back. Even the cheaper ones on Amazon are $300, and a full display unit will cost around $500 or $600. I got lucky recently and found one on Facebook Marketplace for $150 that was basically brand new, so I couldn't pass that up. I did have Bluetooth on my stock BMW system, but I felt like every other time it would fail to connect or the audio would be gone if I played music on Spotify. But the worst is that it defaulted to Apple Music and it would always start on the same song. So needless to say, I'm not listening to Africa by Toto anymore. I think the biggest thing functionally for me is the map. I'm not a big fan of phone mounts. They take up space on the windshield, the dashboard, the vent, and mine was in the cup holder. The cup holder was okay, but even still, I would prefer it to be on the main screen. I don't think I need to sell Apple CarPlay to you. I think you know the benefits, but this is how I installed it. I start by removing the trim, the screen, and the radio. Then I disconnect the battery. Next, I fish through the included blue cable and plug it into the screen. Then I plug everything into the module as shown in the instructions, and the remaining cables into the radio. Most people I had seen online had just put the module behind the radio and pushed it back into place. But it appeared like I had less space than them behind mine. So unfortunately, that meant I had to take out the glove box to mount it behind there. Fortunately, it was pretty wide open behind the dash, and I was able to easily fish the wires through. Then I ended up using the glove box mounting bracket and a Velcro adhesive strip to hold the module up against the HVAC duct. Probably not one of the most kosher methods, but it was very sturdy and clean looking. Last, I mounted the Wi-Fi antenna and then reinstalled everything. Hey Siri, play Unsung Heroes by Velvet Head. Not one of the hardest jobs I've shown on here, but the results are well worth it, especially for only $150. I've been using this module for about a month now and just waiting for bugs to pop up, because they always do, even with factory systems. Sometimes I need to shut Spotify down and start it up, and at one point I had an issue where the screen turned off but still connected and worked, and would readily switch between the BMW iDrive and CarPlay. I read on a forum to disconnect and reconnect the Wi-Fi. I tried it and never had the problem again. But overall, it works amazing and connects immediately with my phone still in my pocket. Huge upgrade, and I don't think I'll ever be able to go back. Hopefully this video added value for you, and I appreciate you watching my video. If it helped you out in any way, and you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. But regardless, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.